On Monday evening, NASA is deliberately going to crash one of its craft with an asteroid. The spacecraft, by the name of DART or Double Asteroid Redirect Mission, was designed to test our planetary defense capability if an asteroid were to threaten Earth in the future. The spacecraft was launched by NASA in November of 2021 and it will crash into the asteroid at 7:14 p.m. Eastern Time. NASA is testing a kinetic impact deflection method against that asteroid Dimorphos with its DART system. The asteroid is a non-threatening asteroid moonlet that orbits a larger asteroid Didymos. If an asteroid collides with Earth, the results can be devastating for the planet. Take the 2013 meteoroid explosion near Chelyabinsk in Russia. According to earthsky.org, it generated up to 30 times the energy of the Hiroshima atomic bomb. The explosion wreaked havoc in 6 Russian cities and sent 1,500 people to the hospital. And of course, there is also the extinction of dinosaurs, which most scientists believe stemmed from an asteroid crashing some 66 million years ago. NASA will broadcast the live coverage of the incident on its YouTube channel.